We really want to focus our conversation today about implementation science because you as a scholar, you in your role in the Reading League, me and my role at Lexia, we are all starting to think and talk and lean much more into implementation science. So I will certainly share with you, but would love to ask you first, what piqued your interest and the Reading League's interest in implementation science?
I think what's so essential about implementation in the time we're in now is that knowledge isn't enough. Knowledge is our basis, but it isn't enough. And I think that's what's really piqued our interest is in implementation science, which has gone by some kind of different names in the past, right? We've thought about action research. We've thought about different kinds of iterative ways. But what implementation science is really helping us think about is what happens when the knowledge meets the student and what happens in that interaction between the teacher, her students, the materials she might have. That interaction is the implementation science in some ways. And so I think what's really piqued our interest is that it's not just pouring knowledge into an educator and expecting that change is going to happen. We really have to get our hands dirty. We have to muck around in that interaction. And that's the implementation science part. And if we're not willing to kind of roll up our sleeves and get in there, we're not really going to see the changes that we all want to happen for our students. So really, it's the impetus, a continual impetus for change that is helping us think about the interactions around these pieces.